Hi friends, we are going to see how to create an ordered list in HTML. The OL and /OL tag is used for creating ordered list with group of items. Each item in the list is enclosed within the li and /li tags. By default, it will display the items with decimal number system. Save the file and open the file in the browser. The number starts from 1. We can change the type, which can be upper Roman, lower Roman, upper alpha or lower alpha. For that, we can use the attribute type equal to capital A or small a, capital I or small I. By default, it is 1. We can specify type equal to small I for lower Roman. Then refresh. Attribute reversed, which is used to display the items in reverse numeric order. Save this file and open in the browser. The OL attribute has 3 attributes. One is type and another one is reversed, and we are having one more attribute called start, which is used to specify the starting number. We can also format the list items using the inline style, that is style equal to color green, font weight bold, line height 200%. Save and refresh. Thank you for watching. We will see about the unordered list in the next lecture.